How to access Instagram Insights. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to access Instagram Insights. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your particular account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure to log in and tap the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now on the settings and activity section, you have to scroll down and then locate the option of account type and tools under for professionals. Tap switch to professional account and tap continue button. Choose what best describes you and then tap the done button. Wait for 30 seconds and you need to choose a creator or business account and tap the next button. Tap Not Now in order to not share login using Account Center, or you can tap Continue as well. You have to set up your professional account. You have to follow 6 steps and then your professional account will be set. After that, you need to completely close Instagram. Now reopen Instagram app. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And then here you can easily access the Instagram Insights. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.